What's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Addicted to Life. One Love. I'm Kyle Femister, and this right here, my friends, is my channel.
You can feel it in your bones. Angels and scriptures and saints who pray alone. A foreign sound and it don't feel quite right. The levee's gone, the floods begin to rise. So pick me up when you lay me down. I hear the words as they circle around. It's been years, and through these tears I've been waiting patiently for Colima, Colima, take me home. Colima, Colima, what you've shown. Colima, Colima, take me home. Colima, Colima, take me home.
Yeah. It's like that.
With the sky so black as night and the pale yellow moon slowly moving out of sight. Your situation, who